What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So today I have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I want to talk about 3 reasons why you should consider picking up this device. But before I do begin, I want to talk about the wallpaper on my device that you guys see in the videos, and I use an app called Backdrops to get all of my wallpapers, and it's available on both iOS and Android. And also, for those of you who have recently subscribed to the channel, thank you all so much. You guys really mean a lot. You guys make my dream become a reality. So thank you all so much. But without further delay, let's dive right in. All right, so number 1 is actually going to be the Note fans. So those of you who are fans of the Note series, the Note lineup, well then the S22 Ultra is going to be the device for you. It looks like we're not going to be getting a Note series anymore. The last Note that we got was the Note 20 Ultra and the Note 20, which came out in 2020. In 2021, we didn't see that. We saw the introduction of S Pen support with the Galaxy S21 Ultra as well as the Z Fold 3. But now in 2022, we have the S22 Ultra with the S Pen embedded, included inside that device. It's not a Note. It's not called a Note. Let's put it that way. It's not called a Note, but it has taken the best of the Note lineup and has brought it to the S series. It has that more boxier design for those of you who are used to using a Note. And it has, like I said, that S Pen, and it pretty much has everything you were looking for in an S Pen. And the great thing is, the S Pen latency has dropped from 9 milliseconds to 2.8 milliseconds, and it feels really great. And I really love this because I've come to use it more often than I thought I initially would. So when you're writing, it feels like real time, like this. And don't mind my writing. I'm a lefty, by the way. This is an amazing S Pen. It just feels so, like the fact that it has super low latency at 2.8 milliseconds feels really good, and you can notice it from the 9 milliseconds down to 2.8. So for those of you who use the S Pen, whether it's just for using it just to navigate your phone, or you really do take notes, or you create art, then this is going to be that device for you. All right, so number 2 is going to be display. Just look at that. Display is the part of the phone that we use and we interact with the most. So having good display, I personally believe, is like one of the top priorities when looking for a device. Now, this 6.8-inch Quad HD 120Hz LTPO AMOLED display is just amazing. Some may not like it because it has those slight curves. I actually don't mind. I haven't come across any accidental touches whatsoever. So if you don't like them, then you can go for the S22 and S22 Plus, which do come with a flatter display. Now, like I said, it's an amazing, gorgeous display. I've been watching lots and lots of YouTube videos, and I just kind of switched from my iPad mini for medium consumption to the S22 Ultra ever since I got it, and I just can't go back. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just really good. You kind of have to experience it yourself. So if you do come across your carrier store or a local Best Buy, especially if you're in the US, definitely check it out. Now, direct sunlight. Direct sunlight is a thing for me when I'm trying to use a phone. If I can't see it, well, kind of got a problem, but I've never had that issue with any of my past Samsung phones, and this just gets even better. Now, direct sunlight, this display gets up to 100 or 1,750 nits. I was trying to say 1750, but it was 1,750 nits of brightness. That is very bright, and it gets so bright. I think this is like one of the few phones other than my past Samsung phones I'm able to use in direct sunlight. I've tried Pixel 6 Pro. It's all right, but it's not the greatest. This is just for media consumption, playing games, Call of Duty, watching your YouTube videos, just, using social media. I genuinely want to pick up my phone and use it for something. I always look for a reason to use this device because of this gorgeous display. And if you are one of those people who love using phones because of the display, I think this is a reason to buy one. All right, and number 3 is going to be the new camera system. So Samsung really did make some pretty good upgrades in their camera quality this year with the S22 lineup, and that includes the S22 Ultra. There's a new nightography mode, which is obviously there's still night mode, but it just gets even better. I'll be putting up some sample photos of its night mode photos, and zoom on this is even better than last year and the year before with the S20 and the S21 Ultra. It's become very usable, and like I said, I'll be putting up samples of those up on screen. And with 30x zoom, for example, it's like, it feels like it's not 30x. Like it's so detailed that you can use that photo. Even 100x zoom, it's become more stable than it was in past years when Samsung originally debuted this 100x space zoom with the S20 Ultra. Daylight photos are also very precise and detailed. And obviously, if you give, if there's enough, sunlight, and if there's enough light in general in that scenario, Samsung's going to take a good photo, and they really up their quality in that night mode as well. And also, for those of you who want to record 8K, I mean, go by all means. I don't record at 8K, but for those of you who want to record in 8K, you can find it on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Overall, it's going to be a really good, camera setup. And if you want to, start a YouTube channel or start social media, then this is the camera setup to go with, at least on the side of Android. There's definitely improvements. Like, how we have those conversations like, social media, Instagram and, Snapchat, they're all better on iPhone and the quality wise. And you're going to see a quality improvement with those social media apps like Snapchat and Instagram on the S22 Ultra. So I think if you're looking for social media and trying to get into that space, I think this is the perfect device to enter into that territory. So guys, camera is a plus on the S22 Ultra. And that about wraps up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. Anyway, that's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.